What you're witnessing right now is the bird being attacked, yo.
By a fucking hawk.
A hawk.
What are they doing?
The
hawk's
hawk
eating the bird.
Yo, yes. That hawk over there? Oh, yeah.
And the bird's still alive.
Oh, yeah.
Well, why again, at least?
Yeah, that hawk will get you. I ain't playing.
Yeah, talons.
The talons will get you.
Don't mess with that. I mean,
Try to save the other bird.
You should try it. I ain't messing with that. You should try to save another bird.
Yo, he picked up the bird and moved over there. Dang, yo, this is ridiculous. The bird is eating it, and it's still alive, as you can see.
Try to get closer.
Oh, shit. You know Danny really does see us now. That is badass shit.
The hawk is eating its prey. Look at it. The bird tries to get free, but it doesn't work.
Yeah, it's not working. I wasn't lying. It's impossible.
You ain't saving that bird, Joe.
Yo, the bird's dead. Yo, look at it. Where his feet is. You see that? The bird's dead. There's no saving it. Yo, you're trying to film this shit too? So recording. Now you know us being here, right? Danny sees us.
I don't really care anymore. I already told her I can't come in.
And you're witnessing some sexy shit.
Yeah, I think the bird might be officially dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like stepping on its head right now. Just crushing it.
That's what he's stepping on?
Yeah.
Damn, yo, I didn't know.
The bird's not even trying to get free anymore. Yeah, it's definitely dead.
Yo, you saw how he picked that shit up?
Yo, he's just... That shit is ill.
Damn. Oh yeah, it's not moving anymore.
I thought it was a bird just sitting there.
That was a big ass motherfucking bird.
That's what I thought it was, just a big ass fucking bird.
But then...
That was a hawk fucking eating a bird.
Damn. I never seen this happen in a parking lot.
I've never seen this, period.
Right? I didn't know they attack seagulls. Whatever that thing is.
Whatever the fuck it is. Seagulls are down the ocean.
God damn. Well, we witnessed a hawk. Remember that thing that was chasing Stuart Little in the second movie?
Yeah.
This is what we're witnessing. Oh my god.
That guy over there is about to record it too.
We recorded it too?
Damn hawk.
Yeah. Oh man, he definitely attacked. That's a hawk.
Killing a seagull.
Oh, it's already dead.
No, the seagull ain't dead. It's still moving.
It was?
Yeah, you see his legs kicking.
Oh, I thought he killed it already.
Yeah, cause it was right there, and then it moved where you were at, and then it moved right there.
You better back up for them, you know.
That damn bird big, man. It's tough on him.
Oh.
I'll let you know, man. They cutting down on them woods. They coming closer to the city.
Oh man.
Yeah. I didn't know they eat seagulls, though.
I didn't know that either.
You just get smaller birds.
Yeah. That's a big bird.
Oh, excuse me, kid. I didn't know you was right there.
Ooh, well, I guess.
I didn't know they kill seagulls, though. I thought they just snatch up rats and birds, you know, anything to get eaten.
That's weird.
That is awesome.
He might be hungry.
City now.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Get off of him!
It's already dead.
Checkers.
Oh man. That's ridiculous. I already got 5 minutes of video footage.
That bird's like, fuck my mama.
Oh, wow.
I'm hungry.
Oh,
Don't tell me he's gonna eat the wheat.
He's eating the whole fucking bird, yo.
it's like eating fried chicken without frying it.
Daddy, eat.
Damn.
Birds out there.
Yo, isn't there birds bigger than him, yo?
Daddy.
What? Hawks?
Birds
Yeah.
that go out in the mountains, there's hawks bigger than that.
What?
Yeah, going out towards like Garrett County and stuff like that.
Jeez.
There's hawks.
I didn't even know it was hawks in Maryland. Well, like here.
Yeah.
Thought they were in like Minnesota. Jeez.
See, they normally like. I see if they swoop down on a pigeon, but a seagull.
Yeah, yo,
That's like shocking.
he smashed it right over
I
there.
thought it was just a big bird, like, just sitting there, and I went over to it, it was eating it.
And then the car came and he flew it over there.
Like, he
And
picked
then
it up with his talons and just flew it over there.
and then that's how he made it over there. So the bird's been picked up and dragged
Like 3 times.
that we've seen. I wish we could have saw the attack, yo.
Catch it in midair.
I want to know. I wanted to see when it caught it, yo.
Man, let you know, man. That wildlife coming close.
Oh, I love you.